Hello สวัสดีค่ะ Today I come with a special menu. I'm gonna make Maok Born Tao. That's in Thai. Born Tao is this one. This is in English. Hapaline Benthamiana. This one usually we found them growing in humid forest. This one from the mountain, not very far from our home. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna kind of make paste, right? So paste and stir fry with paste. But in the local, in the North language, we call it Maok Born Tao. Let's see what I have for the paste. So I had shallot, I had garlic, I had ginger, galanga, Thai ginger, lemongrass, dry chili, salt, and this one is a fish paste, like a fish paste. So we're gonna make the paste now. Paste. Put everything in the mortar, very easy, simple, and smashing everything. Yeah. So everything you see here about a tablespoon of each, I make kind of big portion, and salt only a half teaspoon of salt, and then chili. This chili I like it quite spicy, so this chili, 13 chili. So odd number, isn't it? But I like the 13 number. So here we're smashing it. Okay, almost ready. And one ingredient that I have left here, fish paste. So I put fish paste in. I love fish paste, but for foreigner maybe too stinky. Fish paste here in the north or in Isan or the east part of Thailand, we use a lot for cuisine instead of the shrimp paste. We add fish paste in. Continue mixing. The paste is ready. It looks like red curry paste. See, red curry paste. So I'm going to use this paste to steam. I'm going to put this paste to steam in a steamer with Born Tao. Alright, so I have a steamer right here ready. Bamboo steamer, water underneath. So then I'm going to put this Hapaline into the steamer. To cook this, the Hapaline is going to take about 20 to 25 minutes steaming it. And then this is the curry paste. I'm going to wrap them and I'm going to put inside to steam with this. So and then we cover it. Okay, while we're waiting for Hapaline ready, I'm going to prepare pork belly. Now, I'm going to cut them into small pieces. This is about 500 grams of pork belly. I'm going to cut them, all of them, and bring it to fry. We're going to fry them until become golden and crispy. Oh, I love the pork belly smell. That beautiful color, you see that? Golden brown and crispy. Look at that. In the bowl. Alright, now we have everything ready to put them together. So I have a pork belly crispy, I have oil, I have fish sauce, and in the basket here is the Hapaline and the paste. Here's the curry paste. And and Hapaline are ready. I'm going to mix them together. Hot. This is banana leaf that I put underneath. I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of paste in here. And then take this, see, it's soft, it's a bit hot. See the textures and everything, see the leaf? It turned dark green. So I'm gonna mix them together here. Okay, and then we mix it well, like that. And then we're gonna bring it to fry with the pork belly. Okay, now next step, we're going to fry this in the oil. So this is the pork belly oil. About 3 tablespoons. Turn the gas on, medium heat. I use the same wok with the one that I fried pork before because it's very tasty part here. A lot of pork flavor in here. So I mix it well with the oil, and then I'm going to seasoning with fish sauce. I'm going to seasoning with fish sauce. About a tablespoon of fish sauce. I'm going to have a quick taste if I have enough salt to taste, so the taste that I like. It's good. That's it. And then next, pork belly. So I like pork belly a lot. I'm gonna add them quite a lot in here, but I'm gonna save some to eat with the sticky rice. I love sticky rice. This menu is very good with the sticky rice. I picked some with a lot of fat, some crispy part. Okay, here we go. Pork in. Look how beautiful is this. Okay. Serving. Topping with this one a little bit. Yeah. Done. Maok Born Tao. Maok Born Tao. My food is ready. I hope you enjoy watching. Please subscribe on our channel if you would like to see more recipe that I'm cooked. Thank you.